So, this is how to create an opacity slider in Davinci Resolve, because there is none. So as the first step, you will need a video, then you would cut it out, and then we go into the Fusion page, and we will create the second screen, the left screen, by clicking on the black button. Then we will add brightness or contrast, and with brightness or contrast selected, we will click on then A as alpha, and voila, you have created an opacity slider. As you can see, it's working. Here you can see the difference between 100% opacity and the 50% opacity.